Wabudding. What's supposed to be our next step?
I got lost at I wasn't understanding.
Pardon? You were not understanding.
I got lost and I wasn't understanding. Wait,
Okay. And how many times did I repeat myself, whether you guys understand or not, and you kept on saying yes, but it's fine. We spoke about this throughout our previous lessons. Don't be scared to ask any further questions, but instead, but let me not get into deep. Okay? Rotondwa, what's gonna be our next question? I'm sorry. What's gonna be our solution or our next step?
wait. I'm not sure.
No, say it. We will see whether you are wrong or right. It's worth it trying than not saying anything.
Okay. So now we are looking for the inverse equation or what?
For the inverse equation,
I think we have to first interchange.
yes, I'm listening. In which way? And I divide by what?
By y.
Okay.
I think y plus 2.
Your mind, are you aware that your mind is not just thinking, it is just being honest with itself?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Okay, we continue. So what's gonna be our next step from here? You are still on the right track. So what's supposed to be our next step?
So um
You are
hmm,
still on the right step. You are still on the right step. What's gonna be our next step? You have you
hey,
got this. You got this. You got this. Whatever it is on your mind right now, say it. It is correct. Say it. It is correct.
okay, so hey, like I
Whatever is on your mind, say it. Whatever is on your mind, say it. Say it. It's correct.
now we're supposed to find the domain or what, or we have to continue from that
we.
second step. Like
What is it that your mind is telling you? What is it? Follow your mind.
my mind is telling me that we have to find the I don't know whether we have to cross multiply or what. I'm not sure.
Okay, so your mind is telling that you should cross multiply, right?
Yeah, but I'm not sure.
Okay, let's try to follow your mind. So it's gonna be x into what?
Y plus 2.
Okay, it's equals to what? It's equals to what?
Y minus 5.
Whoa. Okay, y minus 5. Hey, your mind is still on the right track. Hey, your mind is still on the right track. She's still being on the right track. Hey, I'm okay. We continue. We continue. I told you, your mind, it likes you. So follow its follow its step in what it is telling you. We continue. What is it that your mind is telling you? What is supposed to be our next step?
We multiply out um,
Okay. It's gonna be what?
xy
Okay.
plus x
Okay.
uh,
It's cross what?
equals to y minus 5.
Hey, your mind is
Ah,
still on the right track. Hey, your mind is like
I
okay.
think I think it's the same thing. I'm not sure. I'm no longer sure. Like, hey,
Hey, your mind is
can
still on the
someone
right
please
track.
help me? I'm not sure.
I said your mind is still on the right track. Continue, continue. Hey, your mind is still on the right track. Hey, your mind is still on the right track.
Uh,
What is it that your mind is telling you now?
I nothing.
Okay. Okay, thank you for trying. Thank you for trying. You did all your best. You did all your best. Congrats. Anyone else who would like to try? So you guys you are accepting and defeat just from only one question. And then bear in mind this question it is from previous questions papers. Guys, come on. Guys, come on. Am I speaking to myself? Nonyana, Musa, Libuhang. Say something, guys. Rotonwa, say something.
Okay, so can I please ask first, ne?
Okay?
After after interchanging the x and y, so I have to continue multiplying out, or I have to
You have to
go
solve for
straight,
y.
as in like
You
finding
have
the.
you have to
I
solve
have to
for
solve
y.
for y.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So
What's gonna be our next step? What's gonna be our next step?
y is the common factor, I think.
Yay! Congratulations to your mind once again, okay? X what? Minus 1, right?
Yes.
Hey, is equals to what?
Um, is it negative 2x or 2x
What is it that your mind is telling
or
you?
negative 2x?
Okay, thank you. Okay. Hey, your mind is on the right track. Okay, then we divide by what?
Y equals
We
x
divide by
minus
what?
1.
Okay. We divide by x minus 1. Okay. Then we cancel. Cancel. Then y? Changing the color now. Y? Oh no. Y is equals to what now?
Negative 2x minus 5 divided by x minus 1.
Congratulations to yourself. This is your invest. I told you, your mind is on right track. I told you. Okay. So we continue. What is gonna be the range of this? What is gonna be the range of this graph? Y is an element of what? I'm sorry, let me just say the domain is the domain of this graph. The domain of this graph. X element what? This is an exponential graph, guys. Come on. Not an exponential but hyperbola graph. X is an element of a real number, right? Right? Guys.
Yes.
So it's gonna be
Yes.
X.
Yes.
X is gonna be an element of real number, but X is not equals to what?
One.
Yes. Oh, so now you can answer. Your mind is on the right track. I'm glad that you're back on the move. Okay. Thank you guys for joining out this lesson. This is where we are gonna end. It was nice having a conversation with you guys, discussing with you guys, etc. etc. Having a good one tomorrow also. Wishing you all the best throughout your upcoming test, and I'm sure they're gonna conquer them. I'm sure that you're gonna obtain those distinctions that you're aiming for. Congratulations once again for being able to be part of this Mr. Cathy Merlon's lesson. So guys, that's all for today. And once
Thanks.
again, thank you, Rotondwa. Thank you so much for your participation. Thank you so much for participating. Thank you so much, Oriruela. Thank you so much, Wabudi Akunisao. Khumbuzo, okay, Sinethemba, Musa, Libuhang, Nonyana. Thank you so much for joining our today's lesson. Hoping to see you on our upcoming lessons. Good night, goodbye, sleep well, bye bye. That's as far as